Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of my new BMW R90 Scrambler. This is from my store and this is my son Arhan. Arhan, say hi to everyone. So Arhan is very excited with this unboxing video. He's playing with his own Hot Wheel cars and he wants to see how the video is made. So that's why I bought him today on screen. And here is what we have, the BMW R90 Scrambler. This is from my store and each and every aspect of this bike is very proportionate. If you can see the swing arms, it's a single side swing arm with shaft drive, the foot pegs, this silver colored accent which is a part of the frame, and the fuel injectors, everything is very detailed. This is the head of the right side, and this is the exhaust which is very detailed and amazing. The the uh, the rotors, the disc rotors, are very nicely detailed with the chrome accents, and the rear disc rotors are also in chrome. And if you look at the handlebar, the uh, the the brake levers are very detailed. The logo on the tank is also in 1 by 18 scale, and the fuel cap over here is also in 1:18 scale. Apart from that, the quality of seat is amazing. It's a bit hard, but the quality of the plastic is very nice. It's not that soft, but it looks great in somewhat in tan or orange shade. We have indicator here which is also a detailed indicator with a Maestro branding over here in the tailpiece, and we also have a tail light which is just a sticker and nothing else, nothing much. Other than that, the detailing of this bike is amazing. I mean, look at the headlight, it looks almost real, and this is a very big model. If you look at the aspect ratio with a 1 is to 2012 scale model, then this is not bad at all. This is in 1 is to 18 size. It is very nice and very detailed. In terms of fit and finish, I would say I will give this bike as 9 out of 10. Why 9 out of 10 is because there are certain aspects that could have been better, like this gap above the wheels, between the wheel arches. This could have been a little bit less. If you look at 1 by 24 scale model or 1 by 12 scale model, that gap is very negligible. And over here the exhaust looks very detailed and very nice, very amazing. The black alloy wheels makes it look more realistic, and underneath the exhaust and the catalytic converter, or the box, the exhaust box, is 2 is to 1. Very beautiful, very beautifully designed. So, and it has a side stand, kickstand as well. There is a small something radiator like thing in the front just besides the indicator. If you can see, look at my thumb carefully, you can easily see that radiator over there. So this is the level of detailing that Maestro gives in his toy bikes, and this is amazing. And over here, the dial, look at the speedometer. The dial is in white, and that gives it a very classy and fantastic look. Is so good. I mean, so proportionate and so nice and so big in size. If you keep it on your desk, it will look very nice and very amazing. And you can also keep it on your showcase like this, on the stand or without the stand. The bike looks amazing from all angles and every angle. As you can see, it's a very detailed bike, very detailed model, and it's worth every rupee that you invest in it. There's nothing, you can see that is bad though. But if you keep it on your desk, or if you keep it on your showcase, the bike looks amazing. My son Aran is very excited about this, his new toy. It's a scale model, so I don't give him to play though, but he is very fond of seeing and studying the scale model. So it is very good for especially children under the age of 5 or 6 years, but above the age of 3 years or 4 years, to study the scale models and understand the components. It's a great learning for toddlers as well. So I would say I would recommend every parent to buy this kind of scale model, and to guide them and teach the kids about how the bikes are designed, or what all aspects a motorcycle or a two-wheeler has. So it's a great learning for my son as well, and he enjoys watching these videos, the videos of bikes and cars a lot. So I'm making this video especially for him, apart from the unboxing. So every aspect, as you can see, is very detailed in this bike. I mean, there's nowhere you can say that something is missing, or the only aspect that I could have been better, I think, is the fenders, the front fenders. But still, I would say it's since it is costing me around 600 rupees. This is the box that I have, Maestro Special Edition, and this was imported during January 2020. Imported by item code 39300, imported by Creative Education, and this is the authorized dealer of Maestro products in India. You can buy this bike from Amazon at a price tag of 600 rupees. I am going to share the link in the description. Please do check and let me know if you have placed an order. This is a very nice and very detailed bike. Initially, when I was ordering it, I was a bit skeptical, thinking that it may be a little bit small and will not look good. But when I bought, when the parcel came and I opened it, I found that it's a very big bike. Although by 1:18 standards is still very big. If I can show you here, I'm just placing this pen over here. It is as big as this pen, slightly less, but still I would say it's a very nice model. It's a nice model for, uh, as a can be used as a decorative article or a learning article. You decide how you want to use it, but this is the one of the best scale model I have ever bought, and I am very highly satisfied for with it. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and let me know what we can do better. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful weekend.